You remember what the prophet Joseph wrote to Mr. John Wentworth, the editor of the Chicago Democrat newspaper.
Our missionaries are going forth to different nations, and in Germany, Palestine, New Holland, Australia, the East Indies, and other places.
No unhallowed hand can stop the work from progressing.
Persecutions may rage, mobs may combine, armies may assemble, calumny may defame.
But the truth of God will go forth boldly, nobly, and independent,
till it has penetrated every continent, visited every clime, swept every country, and sounded in every ear,
till the purposes of God shall be accomplished, and the great Jehovah shall say, the work is done.
The Lord has not yet said, the work is done. So we must continue moving forward.